Tita Flor, may pera naman doon sa taas.
Satsagain natin to.
Tito Jun, ikaw punta ka nga dito. Hindi mo ba binibigyan ng pera yung asawa mo?
Bakit?
Bakit? Ba't bariya na lang binibilang?
Pasensya ka na, mahal, kasi wala eh. Nauubos.
Kay Lola to.
So you gotta sort out all the 5 like this.
Ganito ka, Tekram, ang naiipon ni Lolo sa barya niya.
Parang
ano, wala pa mang ano ko yan. Wala pa mang siguro ilang buwan. Nag-sort kami nito.
Hindi, parang ako minsan din, pagka may nagsusukli, nakakalimutan na natin ibayad ulit.
Oo, kaya ang dami. Lalo si Tatang.
May ipon ano? Napakarami.
Oo.
Na-amaze siya sa Philippine money kasi kuya. Kaya binigay ko yung maliliit.
Martin, you wanna help?
No, Martin is
Let's
looking
sort out all the coins.
Ganyan si madami ba yan si
Felisa. Ay. Felisa.
Wow. Go, come here. Come here, here.
Ay, ano yun? Sayang naman yung ginto. Tita Flor.
Oh, may ginto.
Felisa, ano to?
At Felisa, kumusta? Okay, papunta na kami ha.
You can get all those then.
Okay.
I can get this one.
Thank you.
This one with one.
I like it.
Mommy, Daddy, look at this, see?
You gotta focus. Maraming barya ka tayo, Ramos. Naalala ko yung...
Ito ta? Si Lolo lang po yan. Kay Lolo lang po yan. Ganyan po ka, kahilig lumakad si Tata. Ganyan ka sabi ko na yung barya.
Araw-araw ba naman lumalakad si Tatang? Mga gaano kaya katagal yan, Tita Flor?
Kakabayan lang na. Wala pa itong 2 buwan, kuya.
Wala pang 2 buwan, grabe naman
yun.
yun.
Namin ito. Tapos ayan na naman, puno na ikawawa na.
Pag nagbabayad siguro siya, imbes na yung barya dudukutin sa bulsa.
Parang ako, Tita. Ako din po, hindi ko na ano.
Kaya yung mga barya kong mga coins, binibigay pa yun.
Oh, si Nico ta, dala-dala niya sa SM yun. Ay, wait lang ta, dala-dala niya pa sa Cebu yun. Yung binigay mo ziplock?
Plastic.
Oo, yung naka-ziplock. Dala-dala pa po niya yun doon. Oo, di ba?
Pero ako nag-iipon ako ng mga old coins.
That's cute.
Oh, di ba tayo ganun yung bigay mo kay Dave? Collection. Ay, yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
May nakuha ko 1944
Yeah.
na
Yeah, that's what I
dime.
told you, dime.
Nakuha ko ng 1947.
Di kami na napapata.
What?
Isang dime na yun.
Oh.
1944.
Oh.
Worth $13,000. Kaya nag-save ako ng...
More than 500,000 yun, Tita.
Oh.
Alam pala ni Tita yung gano'n eh, no?
Nagkukulit na ako ngayon. Noon, dati, palagi ko na. Sige na lang yan.
Si Tita Ethel,
Ngayon, nagkukulit na ako noon.
si Tita Ethel ba yung nagbigay ng ano?
Oh, collection money.
Di ba yung mga old collection?
I worth it someday.
Nasa ba na yung tatay?
Nakatabi. Lahat naman nakatabi. Mal
Something din someday.
Malay nyo, isang piraso kasi minsan, ano, mahal.
Dime nga na yun, pero mo 13,000.
Oh. Isipin mo, napakaraming piraso nun. Ilang piraso yung Tita?
Ha?
Ano yung nabili eh?
Yung naiipon ko yun ngayon dun sa sa book sa library, nagbigay sila ng mga map ng na gano'n. Kumuha ko ng isa, tapos yun nga, marami ako mga coins, pinili ko din
Oh. Hindi natin alam. $100,000 na pala rin. Hindi na.
Pareho value yun.
Oh.
As time pass by talaga po yan. Ganun po yan.
Kasi isang piraso lang $13. 13,000.
Okay, 1984 na.
Eh, ilang piraso yun?
Isang piraso lang yun. Sabi sabi ko, isi-save ko muna. Meron pa ako 19 ako quarter na 1988 ata yun.
Oo.
More worth money.
Yung iba kasing may ano, parang yung may kakayahan sa buhay, hindi na iniisip yung mga ganun, yung
Yung hipag ko, yung lata niya, puro mga coins mo. Minsan binabalot ko ganyan. Wala pa nun, wala pa sa isip ko, bago pa lang kami sa US. Ngayon, nang nakita ko sa YouTube na yung gamit, worth it.
yung ano po yan, yung Pawn Star. Doon po nakilala yung ano, yung channel na yun. Mga antigong mga kagamitan po. Ay. Can you carry that? So mabigat yata.
Are you still looking for the doll? How many did you collect?
Mommy, Daddy, I collect the lot, Mommy. Here's the tiny stuff.
No, this for Kuya Martin wants to collect the small one, the diamond, the 5 cents.
Oh, I
Yeah,
thought it was small.
don't worry, you're gonna find a lot because Lolo, what's that? Dadalhin natin niya sa US, mga kapatid.
Sige. You want, you can bring that, or you can bring them all. Oh my God.
Ang bigat siguro.
Hirap mag-business.
Very, very old.
Hirap din naman sila magtagalog.
Parehas lang. Ano lang to.
It's a tie, it's a tie.
Look at this, 26 years ago.
That's super old.
Oh, this one is 26 years ago because 1998.
Let's try Kuya Martin, ano, marunong siya mag-vlog. Oh, Kuya Martin, you vlog what you're doing.
You greet first, then you tell them what we're doing.
What is this?
Oh, that's a medicine of
Ay, sorry po.
You start the vlog.
Hello.
Guys.
Do what you're doing there.
Like you're vlogging.
Yeah.
Like the same name
Oh,
and that.
oh no.
You got stuff.
Ang kulit mo.
You like, hi guys, welcome to our vlog and
Just
we're
tell them
doing
what
like this, like that.
Marunong siya. Nag-ano nga siya eh.
We are. Yeah, I was waiting.
You just pull them easily.
You're organizing the
Okay.
Okay, what's more?
It's all coins.
I found it.
Then,
I want the egg. Okay, if you want this, then you need the gold one. Can you see the gold one? Okay, you get this here. Hey guys, look at this. The 26-year-old.
400, diba?
Oh, hey guys, you know the coin is 26 years old.
yeah, basta like all currency or
100 silver.
100.
Can I have the gold
Hindi siya sa
one?
ano.
Wait, just see it.
The one is so many. So this Daddy does a lot of one. Do you know what it is?
So high.
This is so old. So old.
Yeah, 115. So we have here the 26-year-old. Shabishan, where is it? The 26-year-old coin. Sa amin ito, hindi umabot yung guesting parya eh. Di ba nagpapaunahan? Sa inyo ba ito madaming parya?
Saan? Wala.
Sa amin din eh.
O pag ganyan, matik yan sa akin naman nakabulsa.
Hey, the egg is full. The egg is full of money.
Yeah.
You cannot shake it anymore.
It doesn't make any sound.
Yeah.
Magkano kaya abutin yan? Nung last time, magkano inabot na tandaan?
Kulang-kulang 4.
Kulang-kulang.
Eh, pero ito maraming piso eh. Nakaraan kasi ang daming 20 eh.
Mga ano siguro yan? 2.9.
There's another old thing.
Ayun na yun, 1,000 na yun.
1,000 ba yun?
1,000 something na siguro yun. Siguro mga ganun lang din to. Kasi puro peso eh.
No. 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 It's worth thousands. Where did I put this? Where did I put this? Get more dimes. Hey! One. There's 10. I think. Oh. There's more than here. I think I'm almost done.
I'm taking out of 5. This is a 10.
No, I need a 10 coin. I think I'm almost done with
This is a
it.
10 coin.
No. I think I'm almost done with the 10. I think I'm done with the 10 peso.
No, this is more. Like this one. Like first,
Wait,
So, why that's helping us?
for all the dimes. You just need for a necklace.
Yung ano walang magbabantay sa kanila.
Ako na lang.
Oh, there's so many.
We go to mission muna, no? Okay? Together with Kuya Nick. We go to mission lang.
They will come back later.
We go to mission.
You know mission? Yeah. They're going play. Yeah. That,
You want to play? And later when you're done, you have mission. You know, ano, diba, it's time for schooling na. We're going to the children and we give them a school supply and money to buy school supply so that they can have school supply. They have pen and papers to write in the school. Okay? High five. Okay. Ito, Flor, Tito Jun.
okay. Ingat natin ang mission.
Kuya Nico, you bantay-bantay Kuya you watch them Kuya Travis, Tito Jun. Okay. Yung box, Kuya Martin, Kuya Nate, can you buhat the box? Can you carry that? Maybe you can tulungan nyo Kuya first mission. You cannot carry that. It's very heavy. Oh no. Uy, pinabayaan nyo naman. Ang bigat niyan.
Binuwag na lang.
Hindi ka mabiro. Ikaw. Tita. Opo. Talagang buhatin pala niya. Grabe. Oh. Mag-aaral na mabuti mamaya, ha? Okay? Kuya, ganito.